Okay, here we are at question 7 on the Math 128 final exam review. And this is another counting principle problem. We're given a situation where a student is choosing some classes from, looks like, 3 different categories. She's going to take a math, a science, and a fine arts. So she's only picking like one thing from 3 different categories. And then it goes on to say that in the category of math, she's got college algebra, contemporary math, or pre-calculus are all options. Her science options are physics or chemistry, only 2 options there. Fine arts options are theater, drawing, dance, and piano, so 4 options there. Then it asks, in how many ways could she choose her 3 classes if she will not take pre-calculus or piano? So here's what I've got. Basically listed out her options. She's going to pick one of these, and one of these. But it says she is not going to pick pre-calc, so that's off the table, and piano. So we're essentially eliminating those from the possibility list. Let's just do that now before we work the problem, and then it just makes it infinitely easier. So in the end, she has a choice of 2 here. For each one of these that she chooses, she has a choice of 2 here. And then for every combination of, these 2 times these 2, she has 3 here. And so all you have to do to determine the number of choices, you can make a tree diagram, of course, but it'd look pretty ugly by the time you got out here, is just take 2 times 2 times 3. And she has 12 different options, one of which could be to take college algebra, physics, and theater. Another would be college algebra, physics, and drawing, college algebra, physics, and dance, college algebra, chem. So there was 3, here's 6 more. And then if we switch to this one, we have the same pattern, we have 6 more, and we end up with 12. So you can draw them all out if you want to, but the easiest thing to do is just say how many choices does she have in each category, multiply them out, come back. And if you've got this on a separate sheet of paper that you can refer to, usually a lot of space here to kind of write all that out, but if you put this on some scratch paper, attach it to the back, there could be could possibly be some points for, even if you don't get the answer right, that you maybe understood how you go about solving this. So some points for doing something, but your answer, of course, is 12, and it's time to move on.